Welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. This product video is looking at the Ram Inline Duct Fans. Optimised for high pressure and quiet air movement, these fans feature the patented fast flow, even airflow fin. They are available in 100mm, capable of air movement up to 277 meters cubed per hour, 125mm up to 378 meters cubed per hour, 150mm up to 580 meters cubed per hour, 200mm up to 998 meters cubed per hour, and the 250mm up to 1088 meters cubed per hour. The Ram Inline Duct Fans are supplied with a mounting bracket and are available to order with or without IEC leads. Thanks for watching this Hydro Garden video on the Ram Inline Duct Fans. Please subscribe to our channel for more product videos.